but the floor's in. You already started?
Yeah. Huh?
And then now we gotta start on this side. This side, this is what the other side looks like. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I gotta start on this side next. And then we're doing the front end. And front end is completely stripped inside and out. I'm just removing the rust. Removing the rust, and you can see it really did, that stuff really did a nice job.
Yeah, it did.
It takes a little bit of work, but it still really worked real nice.
That stuff.
Yeah. It looked like that side over there, and this, that's what.
That.
Well, there's the rust down in there, see?
Oh,
Back
yeah.
in there. I took all that rust from here. I didn't know how I was going to get in there, but look, it did a real nice job getting that out. You know, still need some more work, a little more cleaning.
Yeah.
So now that I got this side done, I can put the quarter panel on. So now I got the quarter panel, I'll put it on, and it'll be real protected with all the paint inside of it.
And you didn't have to fix, oh no, because that's where that thing goes through,
The
huh?
antennas go there and those holes,
Yeah.
and whatever else, but yeah.
What is that stuff? Or is that the weld?
Undercoating, yes.
Undercutting?
Takes undercoating in all those spots. Factory, kind of like a factory thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, to protect it. But since I took everything off, stripped it all, you gotta clean it and clean it and clean it and clean it until you finally get to a point where you can do all that.
And the flooring in here.
Of course, the whole floor is done. So this is 1 year ago started. Of course, I didn't work on it all the time. But yeah.
And that's the panel. Was that the one that was on, or you had to order one?
No, this is a brand new one.
That's a brand new one.
Yeah, so now that I got this side, I can put that in.
Nice.
I could start on this whole side and get on this side, and then start the other side.
And that's the hood.
No, that's another part.
That's the hood for the other one, huh?
Yeah. But I still got a lot of work.
Tire well.
But it's starting to take shape
Bit by bit.
bit by bit, yeah.
And then this is where you welded those holes.
Yeah.
And it looked like that
I gotta clean all
originally.
that up still. But it'll come out real nice.
It's gonna be fun seeing this done.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be fun seeing it all done.
Yeah. But we got the floor, got all this stuff.
And the hood.
Huh?
And the hood.
Roof.
Roof.
The hood and the fenders are done, I just got paint.
Yeah.
But all this, remember, I made all of this stuff here. All of it. All of this we made down on the bottom.
And all that metal.
Yeah.
Putting it together. Well, there it is. There is the update on how this car is going. So we'll have to check back in and as it comes along even more. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day.